baby. You wanna see what I bought you? Hello Kitty glasses. Let's see. How can we do this? Gotta try. You like? Look, we can even lift them so you can see. Cute, baby. Okay, we don't like them. Let's take them off. Wow. I'm laughing alone. I'm sorry. Are you okay? Got you a headband. But this is too big yet. We can use this when you're older. Match mine. Yay! Do you like it? Good. Okay, bye.